Hello, this is Nick Weidenbenner, seed agronomist with BASF. Today I'll be talking about credenza and Zatavo varieties from maturity 1.6 through 2.1.
So credenza 1660 GTLL. I mean, this is one variety to work down in all the caps and bold. This has been a phenomenal variety for us, really everywhere it's gone. It's again that characteristically tall, thin-lined, really promoting yield on that main stem. Exceptional product for IDC and white mold. So it's exciting to have not only a very high-yielding product, but again, a high-yielding product that fits in those more challenging environments. Some of the areas where, I mean, honestly, I've gotten to the part now where when yield data is coming in, I expect to see 1660 in the top three varieties, just because it's been so consistently dominant. And then, you know, it's typically when it's not in the top three, I can find one of the reasons why. It might have been an area with heavier SDS pressure. It might have been in a field that was really lacking for moisture in the season and did not have enough water to really be a truly highly productive environment. That being said, this has been a very fun variety for me to kind of wave the flag high. Credenza 1660 has been a dominant performer. And within my internal trials, within Winsfield answer plots, within first trials, within university trials, kind of anywhere this variety has gone, it's floating to the top. And then right on its heels would be a very strong variety within our Zatavo lineup. So this Zatavo 1761E is it's going to be one of my lead recommendations in the Zatavo brand, just because it's really one of the better defensive options we have. It's going to be superior in white mold relative to the other Zatavo lines, and it's going to be kind of middle of the road in a lot of the plant height and structure and canopies. It's very average, but overall robust plant that's been providing dependable yields across, you know, some pretty high yield environments we've seen this year. The Zatavo 1761 has been certainly a new variety for us. Exciting to watch how it's been able to handle some drought and some high yield environments, and really be able to be a consistent performer across a lot of environments. Our next variety here is credenza 2121 GTLL. Again, this is a new variety for us and brand new to this 2021 catalog. And 2121 has really taken my world by storm. Bringing it into the portfolio, we knew it was a high yield candidate, and we were really excited what it could do maybe in replacement of, or maybe in addition to, our 2040. And it has not disappointed. This variety has really topped trials across northern Iowa, western Minnesota, and all across South Dakota, where I've been able to see this variety. It is just proving very high-end, top-end yields. One of the limitations was, as a new variety, the parent seed came in a little bit late, so it did miss out on some trial locations. So that if it's missing from local data that I'm trying to show, it might have just been due to it arriving later in the season. But in addition to just this outright high yield potential, it has pretty good standability, and it's actually been acceptable, you know, slightly above average for IDC and white mold. It's not going to be as strong as our 2040 and those kind of agronomic characteristics, but again, certainly above average and doing quite well, not falling apart in those environments. And really no significant washes outs. It's maybe not going to be the strongest in some poorly drained environments or some really high organic matter muck soils. But 2121 has been a new variety that's really worth top attention.